Hey you all, and welcome into our brand new home. Today I wanted to take you through and just show you what the state is right now so that you can see the progress as it progresses. We're going to be redoing the floors, retexturing, redoing some of the taping, painting, trimming out the windows, and last but not least, of course, building a cute hearth for that little stove and probably repainting the stove. Then if you walk over here, this is our kitchen. We just tore out the cabinets. I'll show some before pictures. There was a lot of stuff in here. We're still in the process of cleaning out. Obviously, you can see by the toilet paper. We're going to be putting in new cabinets. We're going to redo the floors once again, retexture, trim out the window, and we're going to be building this wall out so that our fridge can go under the stairs a bit and just give us a little bit more space to have cabinets in the kitchen. So then if you walk over here, this is the bedroom. This is where my little daughter is probably going to be sleeping. We are going to once again be taking out this nasty carpet, trimming out the windows, texturing, painting, redoing the floors, and possibly cutting a hole in this wall to make a closet that's under the stairs behind the fridge. So we'll keep you updated if we do that. Over here is our one bathroom of the house, but this is also the most tricky room because it's not only the bathroom but also the laundry room. So right now my husband is putting in these studs and we're reframing a little bit of this to create a separate room from the bathroom and the laundry room. So this is going to be our laundry room. It'll be tight because this is our water tanks, and whoever laid out this house didn't do the best job deciding where to put certain things, as you can see. So we're just going to try and work around it, try and hide it as best we can, and create a separate small room for the bathroom. The tricky thing also is that we're going to have to redo some of the plumbing and some of the electrical, so we'll keep you updated how that goes as well. The last room in our house is the upstairs, and that's probably going to be our master bedroom, so I'll take you up there and show you that as well. So as you can see, we're probably going to have to completely redo these stairs, or at least put flooring over them or something. We might redo the railing as well. And then up here, this is the upstairs loft bedroom, and I'm really excited about this room because we're also going to retexture, repaint, do the floors. I have this idea of maybe making some type of like a love seat here with cabinets underneath, doing cabinets on the side of the walls to try and open up the space and get a little bit more storage in this small house. Re-trimming out the windows, and I would love to do like some sheer curtains or something that you draw across when you enter the room. But I'll keep you updated, let you know what we decide. So as far as the outside goes, we're probably going to redo the siding, tear off this stuff. It looks super bad. Trim out the windows, trim out the door, and also we're probably going to build some type of an overhang or covered porch here. We're not quite positive what we're doing yet. We're going to reseed the yard, replant the yard, do some landscaping because there's basically nothing here. We weed whacked down all the grass. And then lastly, we'll probably get a new door and possibly pour a bigger cement slab. So stay tuned for that too.